Now guys, I'd like to say thank you for over 1 million new subscribers in 2018, and that's why I will give you something back today, a giveaway. I will give 2 subscribers of Härtetest this PS4 Spider-Man edition. Look at that guys, it's completely new. And yes, what you have to do is, first step, like this video, then subscribe Härtetest and make sure that the notification clock is on. Third step is like Härtetest on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is, write a comment with the words "pick me." Do all the steps and then you are able to win a PS4 Spider-Man edition. Good luck to everyone, and now I will continue with this experiment. I'm so excited. And yes guys, was my crash test with the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Firecrackers. Guys, I hope you like this video, and yes, as always, thumbs up for new crash tests. And